Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will be informed on when I post my next video. Thank you guys for showing a lot of support, for the likes, for the love, for the shares, for the subscribers, new and returning. If you do enjoy this video, stay a while and hit that subscribe button if you'd like. So today we're getting ready to go out for drinks, which is exciting. I was invited out for drinks, and we all know if I'm invited out for drinks, it becomes dinner. So of course I'm running a little late, but hey, beauty takes time. Beauty takes time. Guys, so it is Saturday now. There is a weekend getaway planned for me at Encore, and of course this includes enjoying the spa there. This will be my first time actually going to the spa, so this is going to be fun. Bae booked a really nice room for us, so I'm excited. I cannot wait. And of course there's going to be fine dining as well, maybe even a little bit of gambling as well this time. And I've had really good luck at the casino with gambling, so let's see what it's giving this time around if I do decide to gamble with, you know, the money that I'm given and see if I win. I'm super excited about this. So yeah guys. So we are doing an outfit check real quick. So I have this dress that I got from Club London, no earrings, and my new Switzerland watch that I got from the shop at Encore here in Boston, my Cartier, my Tiffany jewelry, and I'm gonna wear my beautiful red bottoms, the first pair that I ever got from Louis Vuitton. I forgot the name of them, but you guys will see the outfit. It's very sexy. We're about to go out to eat and have some drinks. We got a room upgrade, so we went from a suite to like a bigger suite, a 2-bedroom. I will show you guys a tour when we get back, but yes, for now, here's the fit, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, and we are back from the casino. As you can see, I had an amazing time. I went to the spa twice, I believe, and we did some gambling. I had an amazing time, but I am glad to be back home and in my own bed. And yes, we are doing dinner tonight again, so I gotta pick out my outfit and get ready soon at some point, but I'm just relaxing, soaking it all in, just super happy. I had an amazing time